Hire a car accident lawyer. If you've been involved in a car accident, you may need to hire a car accident lawyer. An experienced injury attorney can help you recover losses resulting from a motor vehicle accident and reduce the hefty amount of paperwork, phone calls, and hassle often associated with car accident insurance claims. Knowing when you need professional legal assistance can make the difference between a justly resolved case and owing or losing large monetary damages. Below is important information you need to know about hiring a car accident lawyer. Why you may need to hire a car accident lawyer. Unfortunately, car accidents are everyday occurrences. Most personal injury claims in the United States are a result of an accident involving a car, truck, or other motor vehicle. Many of these accidents result in minor vehicle damage in the form of a fender bender and can generally be handled alone through direct contact with an insurance company. However, car accidents that involve physical injury, fatality, or other significant damage may require legal representation with an experienced attorney. An experienced lawyer can help you get compensation to cover any losses incurred due to the accident, such as medical expenses, lost wages, and car repairs. In some states, a car accident lawyer may help you recover when a loved one is killed, especially if reckless driving, speeding, or drunk driving was involved. What to look for when hiring a car accident attorney. Auto accident attorneys cover a range of issues stemming from personal injury, wrongful death, and property damage. When looking for a lawyer, you should concentrate on their experience, skill level, commitment, location, and fee structure. For example, your attorney should be well-versed in state and national transportation laws, know how to deal with insurance and healthcare companies, and know how to effectively prepare and settle a case. It's also important that you check the attorney's background, references, and track record. A good personal injury lawyer will typically accept your case on a contingency or no-win, no-fee basis if the attorney feels your case has any merit. So it's important to check the attorney's standard fee structure. When to hire a car accident lawyer. It is best to hire an attorney early to avoid any costly mistakes. The deadline for filing personal injury claims varies from state to state because you may need to pay for medical bills and/or cover lost wages. The sooner you contact an attorney, the better. In general, a person should contact an attorney shortly after the accident occurs, but before reaching a settlement with the insurance company. Questions to ask an attorney. Before working with a lawyer, you should have as much detailed information and facts about the car accident and any injuries or financial losses as possible. Documents you might want to show your attorney after a motor vehicle accident may include your insurance policy, any police report you have, information exchanged at the accident scene, and medical records, among other things. Below are some of the questions you should ask before hiring a car accident lawyer. What percentage of your practice is devoted to car accident cases? What experience do you have with the specific type of injury in question? What is a typical settlement range for cases similar to mine? However, this can be a very difficult question to answer until you have completed treatment and know the full extent of your injuries. How much of my car accident case will you actually handle? How are your fees structured? What out-of-pocket expenses am I responsible for? Cost of hiring a lawyer. Most car accident cases are handled on a contingency or no-win, no-pay basis. This means that if the attorney does not win or settle the case on your behalf, they do not collect a fee. On the other hand, if the attorney wins the case, they will get a percentage of the personal injury award. The attorney's percentage varies from case to case, but can equal approximately 1/3 of the total award. There are different maximum percentage limits imposed from state to state. It's important to note that attorney fees are different from costs, and you also may be responsible for certain out-of-pocket expenses associated with your case. Ready to hire a car accident attorney? Get started today. Not all car accidents require the assistance of legal counsel, but for certain situations, an attorney can be invaluable to your claim and ability to be fairly compensated. Learn more about your legal options by speaking with an experienced car accident attorney in your area. Common causes of motorcycle accidents. Motorcycle accidents can occur in a wide variety of situations. Most often, they are due to the carelessness, negligence in the language of the law of a vehicle driver, the rider, or both. Common motorcycle accident scenarios include another vehicle making a left-hand turn in the path of the motorcycle, phone use and other forms of distracted driving, dangerous road conditions, lane splitting on the part of the rider, speeding, alcohol or drugs. Get more details on common causes of motorcycle accidents. What to do after a motorcycle accident. As with most kinds of traffic accidents, there are key steps to take in the wake of a motorcycle accident. Stay at the accident scene. Leaving the scene of an accident is usually a crime, for starters, and it won't help any injury claim you decide to make later on. Get emergency medical attention for anyone who needs it. If you or anyone else has a significant injury, call 911. Call law enforcement to the scene if they don't arrive on their own. Any police report generated after the accident could play a big part in an insurance claim or court case after the crash. Exchange information with anyone else involved in the accident. This includes driver's license information, insurance details, and contact information. Gather evidence of the accident and how it happened. This could include taking pictures to show property damage, road conditions, or anything else relevant to the accident. If there were any witnesses, talk to them and see if they'll give you their names and contact information. Report the accident to your insurance company. Write down everything you can remember about the accident, how it happened, what you saw, what you felt, and so on. Get medical treatment at the first sign of pain or discomfort, and be sure to attend all scheduled appointments and follow up with referrals to specialists. Learn more about medical treatment and vehicle accidents. When you should consider hiring a lawyer after a motorcycle accident. It's possible to handle a motorcycle accident injury claim on your own, if all goes smoothly and the insurance adjuster is coming to the settlement negotiation table with a fair offer. But having a lawyer on your side is crucial in a few common scenarios. The first is when you filed a claim the insurance company, the at-fault drivers, or your own, but there's disagreement about a key aspect of your case, anything from the severity of your injuries to who was at fault for the accident. The second scenario in which you almost certainly need a motorcycle accident lawyer is when you need to file a personal injury lawsuit against the at-fault driver. How a motorcycle accident attorney can help with an insurance claim. A lawyer isn't always needed to resolve a motorcycle accident insurance claim. If you're comfortable handling the day-to-day aspects of the claim, and most importantly, sticking it out during settlement negotiations to make sure you come away with a fair result. But when the insurance company, especially the at-fault drivers, is pushing back on a key issue that could have a big impact on the value of your claim, it might make sense to turn the matter over to an experienced motorcycle accident lawyer. And if you've suffered serious injuries, having a lawyer on your side from the start might end up being in your best interest. The lawyer's expertise in putting your best case together, from establishing fault for the accident to illustrating the impact of your injuries on your life, and their comfort with the often adversarial settlement negotiation process, can be crucial to getting the best result. How a lawyer can help with a motorcycle accident lawsuit. If you need to file a lawsuit against the at-fault driver, a motorcycle accident lawyer will be familiar with local court rules on filing a personal injury case and all phases of the lawsuit process, including discovery, settlement negotiations, motions practice, trial, and appeal if necessary. The single biggest reason to hire an attorney to handle your lawsuit is that you don't know what you don't know. For instance, do you know the statute of limitations for filing a motorcycle accident lawsuit in your state? And if you do, are you aware of the exceptions and how they work? And if you decide to file a lawsuit, are you in a notice pleading or fact pleading jurisdiction? Finding the answer to this question isn't the hard part. The hard part is knowing the question exists in the first place. How to start your search for an experienced motorcycle accident attorney. One place to start is online. You can type motorcycle accident lawyer in your town or city into a search engine and check out the results. This is admittedly a somewhat scattershot approach. Other sources to consider include recommendations from friends, family members, or coworkers, as well as contacting your local bar association. Most states have a bar association, which is a professional organization of lawyers, and many counties and major cities have their own local bar associations, too.